Today, the world is at a standstill while we wait for a cure to COVID 19. This will only end when we get our hands on a vaccine. So, how does a vaccine work? When uniquely skilled enemies infiltrate our body, the first line of defense is our evolved immunity. If that doesn't work, we deploy special forces, lymphocytes, which produce antibodies specially designed to neutralize new enemies. But lymphocytes need time to understand the strategies of the enemy and to develop antibodies to fight them. By the time our body is equipped with these antibodies, the enemies may have already taken over. That's where the vaccines come in. They are advisors specialized in training the immune system to neutralize particular enemies before an attack. So, in case an enemy attacks, they won't stand a chance. And how do vaccines know the enemy? Because they were once the enemy themselves, but now they work for us. Developing a vaccine is a complicated and time-consuming method, but in the case of COVID 19, time is something we don't have. The enemy is already here. Just using the virus to fight the virus will take too much time. So scientists are also looking for newer options, such as using the DNA and RNA structure of the virus to mimic its character and trigger our immune system's defenses. Currently, 80 groups around the world are conducting research on potential vaccines, and some are now entering clinical trials. The Serum Institute of India, the world's largest vaccine maker, in collaboration with Codagenix, an American biotech company, is developing a live attenuated vaccine. Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech is in partnership with the University of Wisconsin-Madison and US-based firm Flugen to make almost 300 million doses of a vaccine for global distribution. Another Indian company, Zydus Cadila, is also working on two vaccines, while Biological E, Indian Immunologicals, and Mindvax are developing a vaccine each. So when will a vaccine be ready? The normal process of making a vaccine takes 10 to 12 years. The mumps vaccine, the fastest ever vaccine to be commercially developed, took 4 years to license in 1967. Today, we are in a situation where we need to find a new vaccine and mass produce it for over 3 billion people tomorrow. But thankfully, a worldwide combined effort may bring the multi-year process down to just 12 to 18 months. Until then, we'll have to keep our distances, wash our hands, and be as careful as possible.